eminent speakers, distinguished guests, and all my friends, a very good afternoon. I am honored to be here. Thank you so much, Murtaza, for giving me an opportunity to share my viewpoints. Every year, travel trends come and go. However, 2021 is said to be one of tourism's most significant year to date. As vaccines begin to roll out globally and the world slowly recovers from COVID-19, we do see border gradually opening, but we expect travel to look very different than it did pre-pandemic. But before I get into the subject, let me give you some brief information about the OTOI. OTOI stands for Outbound Tour Operators Association of India and compromises of India outbound tour operator and travel agents. Our association is a national non-profit organization established for the welfare of outbound tourism industry. In the current scenario, we share our strength in various formats like conducting knowledge sharing session for destination, learning and virtual interaction with members to keep them up to date with rapidly changing travel norms. Most of the national tourist offices, all leading out all of the world, and prominent destination management companies are our members. OTOI has joined the list of Global Travel Trade Association to have been granted the WTTC Safe Travel Stamp. We have two types of membership, active and elite. Active is for all the tour operators of India, and while other one is for rest of the stakeholders, including airlines, hotels, DMCs, and other stakeholders. Now let me just give you a brief information and insight about India outbound market. India is going to emerge as one of the leading outbound travel market of the world. And I'm going to share my reasoning for that. Firstly, we are very socially connected society where we are highly influenced by our surroundings. Holiday abroad are the biggest topic of discussion in the family and social gathering. We have plenty of room to grow. We have plenty of room to grow, keeping in mind our younger generation in mind. If I look at the number of India, in 2019, it was 30 million outbound travelers. But if I look at and see the aspirational traveler numbers, it must be a few million. So there is a big gap of travelers and aspirational travelers. And if a small percentage of that number get converted into the real travelers, you all know what number we are looking at. We also have a habit of saving and creating wealth. We are a strong community who is ready to face challenges and has ability to bounce back. Other thing, I have just recently seen the trend. The people are more inclined toward luxury and experiential travel. And destination weddings are growing from India at a rapid speed. Indian travelers are eager to travel now, with, of course, all the precaution in place. We have seen a strong pent-up demand for destinations that are recently opened up for tourists. In the face of travel and health protocols, we also see changing trend as people have started planning for longer vacations. Moving ahead, Indian travelers will gravitate towards fuller, richer, immersive travel experiences that allow them to truly connect with place, explore, and unwind. Recently, World Bank published an article in leading newspaper which read that private consumption and public investment will see Indian economy likely growing by 10.1% in 2021-22. It further read that the 10.1% is a 4.7% points higher than the World Bank previous estimate for India. This is a self-explanatory of growth we are anticipating. So this is the right time to focus and invest in India market. Now let's talk about relationship about India and Turkey. The relationship between India and Turkey has been cordial for many decades, and Turkey has a huge potential to grow from the Indian market. There is a direct connectivity of flights. People are always warm and welcoming. There is no language barrier, and Turkish cuisine, with its flavor and spice, is perfectly for Indian palate. And it is value for money destination with unmatched luxury and hospitality standards. Thus the Turkey is a perfect destination for all segment of Indian travelers, be it a family, honeymooners, mice, or a destination wedding. The beautiful diversity of landscape allow the different experiences from region to region, and that's what makes Turkey a unique destination of world travelers, as well as a multiple time travel destination. Turkey is also one of the first countries to launch safe tourism certification system, which is already a step in the right direction to build consumer confidence. Travelers will now be much more conscious of their choice of destination and will seek reassurance that they will be safe while in particular country or location. Positioning the destination one of the promises travel safety upfront put Turkey in a good position to attract more travelers. I am sure that together we'll make India as a number one source market for Turkey. One important factor that I would like to bring to attention of all the stakeholders about working together, that we should support each other, adopt best business practices, and stop undercutting each other's business. Our is the only industry where our principals like airline and hotels at times become our competitors. They forget the kind of effort tour operators, travel companies, and DMC put in to promote their product. We are the one who suggest customers about their product and inspire them. Our principals should realize that we are part of them, we are their extended sales and marketing arm. So instead of competing with us, they should recognize that we are one team, working towards the same goal and vision, and working collectively will lead to better growth. Today, also maximum booking transactions take place either through travel consultant or OTAs. Our partners should realize our position as tour operators, travel companies, and DMC in this rapidly changing industry is an important one. Experts predict the major shift to booking travel through agents and established operators, noting their invaluable knowledge and industry connections. Consumer will increasingly gravitate towards travel companies and advisors who can steer them in the right direction and give them confidence that should an unforeseen event like this happen, they will be taken care of. As travel reopens, there is an enhanced need of trusted guidance, and travelers are seeking the support of experts to ensure that their long-awaited trip go without hitch. As a tour operator and travel companies, we also have to start looking at the market differently, adapt to the changing dynamics. Knowledge and product is going to be the key. We know we now need to curate our product line based on changing travel pattern and demands. Safety, exclusivity, and wellness will be pushed to the forefront as consumers look for more intimate, impactful, and purposeful travel experiences. There is a need to provide travelers with accurate and timely information and fact, and being open to answering questions to inform their decision making. I believe that the travel industry is at a point of disruptions, and the future will be different from what we had imagined, but it will surely be a bright one. For all my friends who have suffered financial losses, I would like to say that don't lose heart and be mentally strong. Create a bigger picture of future. The entire world is sailing in the same boat. Let's turn this into an opportunity to build better travel and tourism industry. We all need to adapt, innovate, and collaborate to make travel easier, safer, and more seamless than ever before. When we all geared up to grow, will see phenomenal growth of the world economy, and tourism is going to be the biggest contributor. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations, and I am confident that the future will lead us there and shine new light to our lives. Let's get into this with a new hope, optimism, and positive mindset. I still believe that travel can be the biggest distributor of wealth the world has ever seen. Last but not least, I would like to acknowledge and thank Murtuza and team and all the stakeholders for amazing this exhibition. I hope and I wish them all the success. I hope that all the stakeholders will have a fruitful event. Thank you so much.
Well, we'd like to thank